Hello everyone, welcome back to the informational channel, the go-to place for all things sales and business success. I'm your guide, and today we're diving into a crucial topic: strategies for successful solution selling, a step-by-step approach. If you're looking to elevate your sales game, you're in the right place. Solution selling goes beyond pushing products. It's about understanding your customers' needs and providing tailored solutions. Today, let's explore a comprehensive step-by-step approach to master the art of solution selling. The foundational step in solution selling is understanding your customer. Dive deep into their industry, challenges, and goals. For example, if selling software solutions, identify pain points in their current processes and show how your product addresses them. With insights about your customer, tailor your message. Avoid generic pitches, instead customize based on their challenges. For instance, if time efficiency is a concern, emphasize how your solution streamlines processes. With understanding and tailored messaging, build trust. Consistent communication and transparency are key. Regular updates, honest discussions, and setting realistic expectations contribute to a trusting relationship. Moving on to presenting your solution, highlight features addressing specific pain points. If your software enhances data security, emphasize this when presenting to a client concerned about data breaches. Tackle objections head-on. If pricing is a concern, emphasize long-term value and return on investment. Break down costs, showcasing how your solution pays for itself over time. Now, closing the deal, the culmination of your efforts. Explore effective techniques like the assumptive close, assuming the deal is closed and discussing next steps, or the summary close, recapping key points and reinforcing the value. Let's take a moment to dive into a real-world example of solution selling. Understanding practical applications can help solidify the concepts we've discussed. Today we'll be looking at the case of a leading software company that managed to turn around its declining sales numbers through strategic solution selling. The company was facing stiff competition and a saturated market. Instead of cutting prices or pushing harder for sales, they decided to focus on understanding their customers' needs better. They started by conducting in-depth customer research to understand the challenges their customers were facing. Then they tailored their messaging to address those specific problems, emphasizing their software's unique features that could solve them. This approach helped them build trust with their customers. When it came time to present their solution, they focused on how their software could alleviate the customer's pain points rather than just listing its features. They were prepared for objections and had a clear strategy to tackle them. Finally, they closed the deal by demonstrating the long-term value and benefits their solution could provide. The result? Their sales numbers skyrocketed, and they managed to secure a strong position in a competitive market. What can we learn from this? The power of solution selling lies in truly understanding your customers' needs and presenting your product or service as the solution. It's not just about making a sale, but about building a relationship based on trust and value. So as you venture into your own solution selling journey, remember this case study and the strategies used. They could be your key to success. This case study demonstrates the power of solution selling when done right. Remember, it's not just about the sale, it's about providing solutions. Even with the best strategies and a clear understanding of solution selling, it's possible to fall into some common traps. Let's discuss these pitfalls and how you can avoid them. First up is rushing the process. It's crucial to take your time to understand your customers' needs before jumping into selling your solution. If you push too hard, too soon, you risk alienating your potential customer. The second common mistake is not being prepared for objections. Remember, objections are a natural part of the selling process. It's important to anticipate and prepare for them rather than being caught off guard. Thirdly, don't underestimate the importance of building trust. It can be tempting to focus solely on the features and benefits of your product or service. However, without trust, your prospects are unlikely to buy, no matter how great your solution is. Finally, remember to always focus on the customer's needs, not just your product. Your solution should be positioned as a tool to solve the customer's problem, not as the end goal. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can significantly increase your chances of success in solution selling. Remember, it's not just about closing a sale, it's about providing a solution that adds value to your customer's life or business. In the next scene, we will discuss how to stay motivated and persistent in your solution selling journey, which is equally important for your success. Now that we've covered the common mistakes in solution selling, let's switch gears a bit and address some of the frequently asked questions about this process. We've collected the most common ones to help you gain a deeper understanding of solution selling. Question 1. Is solution selling only applicable to certain industries? The answer is no. Regardless of your product or service, solution selling can be applied in any industry. It's all about understanding your customers' needs and positioning your product as the solution to their problem. Our next question is, how do I stay motivated when I face rejection? That's a great question. Rejection is a part of sales. It's important to not take it personally. Instead, view each rejection as a learning opportunity. Evaluate what went wrong and how you can improve in the future. The third question is, how can I build trust with a potential customer? Building trust takes time. It starts with understanding your customer's needs. Be genuine, transparent, and consistent in your interactions. Show them that you're not just interested in making a sale, but in providing a solution that benefits them. The final question for this scene is, what if my product doesn't solve the customer's problem? That's a tough one. However, honesty is always the best policy. If your product isn't the right fit, it's better to acknowledge that up front. You might lose a sale, but you'll gain respect and credibility, which could lead to future opportunities. I hope these answers have cleared up any confusion you might have had about solution selling. Remember, your goal is not just to sell a product, but to provide a solution that adds value to your customer's life or business. Before we wrap up, let's do a quick recap of what we've learned today. We started with understanding the importance of solution selling. It's not about pushing a product, it's about selling a solution to your customer's problem. We then dove into the importance of understanding your customer, tailoring your message to their needs, and building trust. We discussed presenting your solution effectively, tackling objections, and closing the deal. We also explored a real-life case study and discussed common mistakes in solution selling. Questions in the Q&A section reminded us that solution selling is applicable across industries. Rejection is a learning opportunity, building trust takes time, and honesty is paramount, even if it means losing a sale. There you have it, our detailed guide to successful solution selling. Remember these key points as you embark on your solution selling journey. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more on enhancing your sales skills. I hope these strategies provide practical insights for your sales journey. Thank you for joining me. Until next time, happy selling.